Did you know that? California is the world's leading producer of processed tomatoes, contributing over 35% of the global supply. Today we'll follow the journey of ripe red tomatoes. From tiny seeds to delicious cans of tomato sauce on your dining table. This isn't just a story about agriculture. It's a remarkable blend of nature, technology, and human creativity. Every great journey begins with small steps, and for tomatoes it all starts with the seeds. In California, tomato varieties like Rama VIP F and hybrids are carefully selected for their excellent disease resistance, high yield, and rich flavor. To ensure quality, each seed undergoes rigorous testing, achieving a germination rate of over 97%. This is the very first step toward ensuring a successful harvest. After selecting the seeds, they are nurtured in nutrient-rich trays. Within a greenhouse here, the seedlings are cared for in a perfectly controlled environment with optimal temperature and humidity to ensure healthy growth in just 3 to 4 weeks. The young tomato plants, standing about 10 to 15 centimeters tall, with vibrant green leaves and strong roots, are ready to be transplanted into the fields. Now the seedlings are ready to be planted. In the vast fields of California, farmers use advanced planting machines to ensure each plant is placed with precise spacing. For optimal growth, these machines not only make planting 3 times faster than traditional methods, but also significantly reduce the physical strain on farmers. In just a few hours, thousands of tomato plants are neatly planted across the fields. From this point, their growth journey officially begins, supported by meticulous care and advanced technology. Let's explore how farmers leverage smart systems to transform these young plants into lush, fruit-laden fields in the months to come. As tomato plants begin to grow, they are nurtured using modern systems. Smart drip irrigation is a key factor, delivering the precise amount of water and fertilizer needed without waste. This method saves up to 30% of water, reduces chemical fertilizer use by 20%, and boosts productivity by up to 15%. Healing is also a crucial stage. Specialized plowing machines are used to create raised soil ridges around the base of the plants, helping to retain soil moisture and protect the roots from extreme temperatures. Harvesting tomatoes is not as simple as waiting for them to ripen. In California, the timing of the harvest is determined using scientific methods. Tomatoes reach their optimal ripeness when their natural sugar content is between 4.5 and 5.5, delivering the sweetest and most flavorful taste. This period typically occurs between July and October, when daytime temperatures range from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, the ideal conditions for tomato growth. The tomato fields and areas like Fresno and the San Joaquin Valley span thousands of hectares, with an annual yield of up to 15 million tons. Manual harvesting is not feasible. Instead, farms rely on advanced tomato harvesting machines, equipped with automated sorting technology. Right in the field, these machines can identify ripe tomatoes using color sensors in the surface temperature detection. A single harvesting machine can process up to 120 tons of tomatoes per day, equivalent to the workload of 50 to 60 laborers. Working continuously, this efficiency allows an entire 10-hectare field to be harvested in just 1 to 2 days. The harvesting process begins as the machine moves along the tomato rows. Its mechanical arms gently shake the plants, detaching the ripe fruit, while leaving the rest of the plant undamaged. The tomatoes are then transferred onto a conveyor belt attached to the machine, where an initial sorting takes place. Tomatoes that meet quality standards are directed into storage compartments, while damaged or unripe ones are immediately discarded on site. After being harvested, tomatoes are loaded onto large trucks, typically with a capacity of 20 to 25 tons per truck. These trucks are equipped with protective coverings to shield the tomatoes from direct sunlight and high temperatures. This helps reduce the loss rate to below 5%, an impressive figure when it comes to large-scale agricultural harvesting. To ensure quality tomatoes are transported to processing plants within 6 to 12 hours. This short time frame is crucial in preserving their freshness, flavor, and nutritional value. In fact, Fresno, the tomato capital of the world, alone can transport up to 10,000 tons of tomatoes daily, from farms to processing facilities. When the tomatoes arrive at the factory, they are passed through large water tanks for cleaning. These tanks are equipped with high-pressure water jets that thoroughly remove soil, dirt, and impurities from transportation. Afterward, the tomatoes are transferred to an optical sorting system, an advanced technology capable of analyzing the color, size, and ripeness of each fruit. Tomatoes that fail to meet standards are immediately removed. This sorting system can process up to 450 tons of tomatoes per hour, ensuring both efficiency and quality are maintained. The tomatoes that meet the standards are sent to crushing machines, where they are pressed to extract the pulp. This process preserves all the natural flavor and nutrients. The crushed tomatoes are then transferred to large cooking baths, where the temperature is carefully maintained between 85 to 95 degrees Celsius. This temperature not only enhances the signature flavor, but also helps extend the shelf life of the tomato sauce without the need for artificial preservatives. During the cooking stage, other ingredients such as salt, sugar, and special spices are added to create the unique flavor of each type of tomato sauce. Modern factories in California often use highly automated technology, ensuring ingredient proportions are controlled with precision down to the milligram. Once the tomato sauce has achieved the perfect flavor, it is transferred to a fully automated packaging line. The sauce containers are vacuum sealed to remove any air inside, ensuring long-term preservation. The sealed containers are then sterilized at a temperature of 121 degrees Celsius to ensure no bacteria remain. The factory in California can package up to 36,000 containers per hour, enough to fill over 100 shipping containers in just one day. Finally, the tomato sauce containers are labeled and packed into boxes. A significant portion of the Production is exported to over 100 countries worldwide, ranging from major markets like Japan, Germany, and Canada, to smaller regions such as Southeast Asia and Africa. California's tomato sauce is highly regarded for its vibrant color-rich flavor and internationally standardized production process. Through each stage from the fields to the factory, every tomato carries the dedication of farmers and the power of modern technology. This is why each container of tomato sauce is not just an ordinary product, an inspiring story of the harmony between nature and humanity. The next time you use tomato sauce in your meal, remember that you're enjoying the result of a remarkable journey. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a comment below. To share your thoughts, hit like to support us, and subscribe to the channel to join us in discovering more fascinating agricultural stories.